If your PC is running slowly and you need to speed up your Windows 10 PC, then I have provided some of the tips here to improve your PC performance in Windows 10. Hi, this is Sonit from Techie Trickle. One of the best ways to get the most out of your PC is to make sure that you have the latest version of Windows 10 installed. Now, from start, you click on settings, and then from settings, you have the update and security. So click this option and you will be shown with whether your Windows is up to date or not. Like in my case, it is. Now in your case, if it shows here like updates available and an install now button, then make sure that you click that and have your Windows up to date. Now next, what you need to check is open the apps that you need and do not use anything that is not necessary. So there are many apps, programs, web browsers that are there that can slow down your PC. So you have to make sure that you only have those that you need. So first what you do is you restart your PC from start, power and restart. Now once you have restarted, open only those apps that you need and close the ones that you do not. Now sometimes apps that are made for an earlier version of Windows will really slow down your Windows 10. Now there is an option called Program Compatibility Troubleshooter. So let's type in the search box here as troubleshoot. Now once you come to troubleshoot settings, you click that and see if you get the option as run programs made for previous version of Windows. If not, then you still need to go ahead and click troubleshoot, and there you see the option that will come up like in my screen here. It comes up as this. So click this option. This is the one that I'm talking about. So click this and then you would see the program compatibility troubleshooter here. Now you need to click the next button here. This actually loads all the programs that are there in your machine. So these are the ones. So choose the ones that are there, okay, and then you need to proceed accordingly. And you need to continue through the troubleshooting here. Now turn off the tips and notifications that are there because it actually takes away a lot of your resources. So from start, click settings and then you need to come to system, and on system, if you click this on the left panel here, you need to find for notification and action. So once you see this, yes, this is the one. So click this and you see the notifications section here. Now I would turn off the tips and tricks because I don't want that to come. And if you are bold enough, then you can toggle this off, but I wouldn't suggest doing that. Okay, now if you come below, you would see that there are from the senders the notifications sent. Now these are the apps that actually send notifications. So make sure that you toggle off the ones that you do not need, and that should surely boost up your speed. And just comment below and let me know if this was something that you really liked. Now next option that I have is to manage page file size. Now how would you do that? So in the search box you type advanced system. Now once you type that, you would find the option as view advanced system coming up, right? So this is the one. Click this and you open this. Now on here on system properties, you would find the advanced tab. Click the performance setting here, and on this tab you need to find for the advanced tab. Click that and then under virtual memory you would find the change button. So this is the place that I would show. So click this change and make sure that you have automatically manage paging file size. Now this is already checked in my case, but you need to make sure that this is always checked, and this should definitely manage your page file size automatically here on. Now if you like this option, put in the comment below option 4. First, what you do is you restart your PC from start, power and restart. Now you need to check for low disk space. Now how would you do that? So from start, again settings, and from settings go and click system, and from system I would choose storage. Now once you are in storage, you would see that it shows up all your applications, it shows up your temporary files, and these are the ones that take up a lot of your space. Now you need to go ahead and see under apps section. So I would click the apps, and I would show you that here under this you would see all the apps that are there installed in my machine. So in your case this list would be different. So make sure that if you're not using this, then you have those as removed. And then similarly for temporary files, you can go ahead and see the ones that you do not need, make a review of that, and then make sure that you have it deleted from your system. Or else if you want, you can directly go ahead and remove files, but then I wouldn't advise you to do that for the go. And definitely it should boost up your speed. Make sure that you comment below and let me know if this was something that worked for you. Now next up that I'll show you is OneDrive syncing. So you need to pause that in your system. So this is the one from taskbar. So in my case you can see OneDrive is already logged off because I do not want to use OneDrive. So from settings, what you need to do is you need to check for this option, and you need to uncheck start automatically, and you do not want OneDrive to sync up, and you need to pause syncing from the OneDrive. Now for background apps, this is something that takes up a lot of your space also. So what I would suggest is you need to stop the background apps that you are not working. So from settings, privacy, and then from privacy I would actually go and click background apps. So here are all the apps that are running on the background. So make sure that you toggle off the ones that you do not use, and that should release off the resources. So in case you liked my video, please make sure that you give me a big thumbs up, share this video with all your friends and families, and also make sure that you subscribe to my channel to get all the latest updates on Windows. Now there are two videos that are popping up right now on your screen. Please make sure that you watch those. Till the next time, bye bye.